passengers, please remain seated until the minecart has come to a full and complete stop. Then unbuckle your seatbelt, push down and up on your lap bar, and carefully exit to your left. Be sure to stop at Gold Striker Gifts where you'll find treasures from your journey, and have the best day here at California's Great America. Welcome to Gold Striker. Prior to being seated, please place all loose articles in a storage bin on the opposite side of the station. As a reminder, California's Great America cannot be held responsible for lost, stolen, or damaged items. Once seated, please pull down on your lap bar until it rests comfortably against your body and secure your seat. Gaze forward with your back and shoulders against the seat back and remain seated while the ride is in motion. Keep your legs, arms, and hands inside the minecart at all times. You're about to experience the rush of striking gold.
All clear. Enjoy your ride.